Hi, Scootergirl here for Living Well Stores. Boy, have I got something cool to show you today. We have the Pride GoGo Carbon folding scooter. I'm going to unpack it for you. We're going to see what it looks like, and I'll show you all the cool features that makes this a super buy. Let's take a peek inside. You can see that there's cushioning that just slides right out. This is the battery charger. This is a lithium ion battery. This is a 12 amp hour airline compliant lithium ion battery. Slides in and slides out, very compact. So this scooter is only 35 pounds. If you have some muscles, I'm sure you could just lift it right out. I am going to tip this box over and try to pull it out, which would probably be easier for most of our customers who want this scooter. The other thing you could do is you could cut the box at the corners so that this front section lays flat on the ground, and that might also be an easy way to take it out of the box. There's some handles here on the bottom, which is also probably how you would pull it. So you can just grab the handle. Worked much easier to just push the box off the scooter instead of trying to pull the scooter out of the box. So a little combination that came out pretty easily. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. If you recall, I pulled it out. I've taken away all the plastic and the styrofoam, and this is very compact. You can lift it. This is the tiller handle. You can lift it, and then you would unfold from this position. But before I do that, I want to show you some accessories that are important for you to know that come with it. So earlier I showed you the battery charger in the box. This comes in two pieces. This part inserts to this section, and then this part here would insert into your 12 amp hour lithium ion battery. This comes covered, so if you weren't sure what was underneath that, this just rotates to the side. I'll do that again. And then the battery charger would plug into here. It's 3 prongs and 3 prongs. You can figure that out, okay? Battery does come partially charged, so you should be able to put it right on the scooter and go. We do recommend charging it before you take it out on a big long trek. This is a seat cover, so this is just hard plastic. If you want a little cushion, there's some cushion here. Attaches with Velcro. I'll show you that in a minute. This is your owner's manual, but these are very important too. You will need this. This scooter is a keyless system, so you need one of these to be able to turn the scooter on. You don't need it to turn it off, but you need it to turn it back on. So consider it a key, even though it does not look like a key. Do not throw them out. So to make things easier as you unpack, the first thing you might want to do is raise these handles. You do that by flipping this here and just pulling this up and then locking it back in place. This then helps you move the scooter. It does move. You can tilt it to move like this. All right, so it's very handy. It's very easy to pull. And I did just want to show you this red button here. This red button just disengages the latch so that you can spread the scooter out. Okay, so this Scooter right now is in freewheel or in neutral, as you can see, because I am pushing it. In order to use the scooter, you would want to flip this lever here and put it into drive. You can see that there's a lock mechanism here, a sticker that shows you if it's locked or unlocked. So locked is drive, unlocked is neutral. You can open the seat. So you want to put it back in neutral if you want to push it around at all, which I will do to show you some other features. And I'll put it back in drive. All right, so we're gonna get the scooter ready to ride, and I'll show you all the features. First, we have our seat cushion. This is just fabric here. It sticks to the Velcro, and that's how it stays on. Secondly, and very important, is this 12 amp hour lithium ion battery. You can see it has a hook here that clips into this hole on the battery plate for the scooter. So there's a red hook here. You want to put the red hook in the hole there and then just drop it in and you're all set. So the very important piece here is your NFC smart card. This is your keyless start. If I were to turn the scooter on and did not have this, it would be in a locked position. This is meant to be a safety feature, a security feature, so someone could not steal your scooter. It does not go. With the NFC smart card, I just place it there, and there it is. The scooter is now on. So I'll just highlight the buttons here that we have here. So this is the on-off switch. You have a headlight, an LED headlight on the front. This is the horn. Over here is your speed control. So the turtle is slow and the hare is fast. And right here at the top, you can see that my headlight is on and I'm currently in position 1, which is the slowest. If I wanted to go faster, I could press the button and increase the speed. The highest it goes is to number 4. We always recommend that you start on slow and you speed up as you go. This scooter has a 300-pound weight capacity and it weighs only 34 pounds. So it's super easy to wheel around, and I'll show you how to close it back up and wheel away. Here, I'll show you how it goes. And check out those lights in the back. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to fold it up and roll away. Seat down, handle right here. Snaps together. And off I go. Scootergirl signing off. Thanks for joining.